JP Morgan probability of a global recession ranged from 40% to 60% April this year, based on the tariff policies being placed. Back in the 1930s, beginning of the Great Depression, there was something called the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act. They raised tariff on over 20,000 imported goods. What happened from the back of this deepened the Great Depression. Now the difference here is we have retaliation on the tariff being placed. So it's almost like the beginning of some kind of trade war. The first thing that happens is the stock market plummets, billions of dollars being wiped out overnight, the rich moving their money from the stock market into real estate. We'll start seeing more and more institutional investors buying up single family homes and apartment complex to rent them out. Chances are there ain't going to be that much lower interest rate than what we currently are. The property prices may remain stable or most likely go up if there is probably a period of recession because of inventory being squeezed heavily. The cost of building homes will keep going up. So it's important that we move against the crowd, almost like the investors do, because most individuals and homeowners would want to shelter down while the investors are going to speed up. So if we move into the pool now of people speeding up, looking at buying homes at this particular time, we will find ourselves in a much more better, fortunate position that we now have the option to rent out our homes to people looking to rent, because there will always be renters out there. The demand would increase the price of rent, and at the same time, the value of our home will most likely keep going up. You buying a home at this particular moment makes more sense than ever before.
Collins Mayaki is a global mentor and owner of multiple successful businesses.
Collins Mayaki is a visionary speaker
Dedicated to personal growth and coaching sales teams to enhance company profitability.
and family man to the core. He is the owner of multiple successful businesses.
His mentoring extends to individuals, aspiring business leaders, guiding them in transforming their ideas into successful ventures.
And is dedicated
With a focus on both personal and professional growth, driving economic growth through innovative business strategies. Join Collins on this journey to turn aspirations into reality, fostering success worldwide.